Hey guys, it's Bailey. Welcome back to the channel and thanks so much for tuning in to what is going to be a dupe or dud video. Basically, this is part of a series where I put a high-end product to the test and I compare it to a more affordable product that looks, acts, feels pretty similar to let you know whether or not it's a dupe and you can save your money and buy the cheaper alternative, or if the higher end product is worth the splurge. So this is a long time coming. I talked about these probably almost a month ago at this point, when I decluttered my powders and I rediscovered my Lancome Absolue powder. This guy retails for $58, so it ain't cheap, but I really like it. I have two shades, but the one I've been loving lately is the Absolute Peach shade. It's kind of a golden undertone, and it gives your skin this lit from within look to it. It does have a hint of sparkle to it, but in case that makes you steer clear, you have oily or even combo skin, it's still a powder, so it helps control that excess shine throughout the day, but doesn't leave your skin looking matte and dry or one-dimensional. It puts that glow back into your skin that maybe a more mattifying, powdery looking foundation might take away. But at the same time, when I was decluttering and rediscovered this guy from Lancome, I also came across one from e.l.f. It is only $8, so a $50 difference, and that is their mineral pearls. I talked about the one that is skin balancing, and so it has a mixture of those color correcting colors like blue, green, peach, things like that, all in pearl form. But then I also, later after that video, found that I had another one in natural, which comes with more golden bronzy shades in the same pearl form. Now, I said I would put those to the test, and I have been for the longest time, and I'll be honest, I was coming up a little short. Like, neither of these could touch this Lancome Absolue powder, but it's, I think, in part because of the pearl format. I love the idea of the pearls, but I just can't get the kind of color payoff I want when it comes to application, no matter what I use, whether it's a brush or the little powder puff that comes with these. They just weren't doing it for me, so I crushed them up. I crushed both of these up. They are now totally powderified, emulsified, I don't even know. They're totally crushed, so they're a little bit more comparable in texture to the Lancome Absolue powder, and I have to say, it made all the difference in the world. Now I'll show you a comparison in the color swatch. You'll find that color-wise, they are not similar to the Lancome. The Lancome does have that golden undertone, and even if I compare it to the other one that I have that is actually, ironically, more of a peachy undertone than Absolute Peach, neither one of these really stack up either. The undertone still has that super fine iridescent shimmer to it, but you'll just notice it's a little bit more cool toned than the Lancome. And then alternatively, the natural is a little bit more golden bronzy, a little bit too golden or too bronzy, I would say. So in terms of the strict definition of a dupe, no, they are not the same. However, like I do with most of these dupe or dud videos, I try and wear both products on my face at the same time so that you can be the judge for yourself. I have been wearing both of these powders on my face past the 8-hour mark at this point throughout the day. The Lancome is on the right side of my face and the e.l.f. is on the left side of my face, and I have to say, I can't really tell a difference. Both in color payoff, like I said, the e.l.f. is a little bit more gray, but I don't feel any, kind of gray or any less healthy looking, like putting something that is gray over your skin might. And also, I want to point out that my makeup has lasted well equally on both sides, which is something I have loved about the Lancome, is that even though, like I said earlier, it has that kind of shimmery, iridescent lit from within effect that it gives your skin, if you have oily or combo skin, it still acts like a powder, and so it helps prevent that excess shine throughout the day, and the e.l.f. has done that too. I mean, I really feel like both sides look identical in terms of how the makeup is held up underneath it. So there you have it. Is it an exact dupe? No. Do I recommend you pick up the e.l.f. over the Lancome if this is something you've been lusting after? Heck yes. In fact, you could pick up both of the e.l.f. pearls if you're not sure which one is going to work for you. I just really recommend that you crush them up because I've had these for the longest time and I just never reached for them because I don't feel like they're working. Crushing them up made all the difference, so definitely do that. Let me know if you do it. Tag me on social, wherever. I'm Dailybaileyb on all of them. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know if you like them. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in the next video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.